So we finally made it to Frankincense, and I have a special guest here. He's one of my followers, actual and co-worker, Tanner. We're gonna go on this hunt to go see what we find in Frankincense, and we're gonna find some good stuff. You see that? All right, so we're gonna go look for some. First stop I want to do is the Ninja Turtle stop, which is. Ooh, I made it. Yes. Somebody here? Hello. I think they're here. They're around. Look at all that good stuff. I'm gonna ask them if they have the Technodrome because I really want.
That's right. You mostly buy the Ninja Turtle stuff, right?
Yep. See, I have. Oh. I'm gonna ask her. They should be here. Oh, this is your shop, brother? That was not your shop? Oh. Oh yes, I do. I'm looking for the Technodrome. I know it's a.
Technodrome?
It's the Ninja Turtle. It's like it's a big old dome that opens up.
Oh my god, I think we did. Hold on, let me ask my nephew.
No problem. Look at all these badass toys. I'm definitely gonna buy some.
Are you looking for the original or the remake?
Either? Could I?
We have one in the box and then we have the original right there.
How much is the original one?
The original? How much are you asking the original?
I think it's, let me ask Ivan.
For
It's
sure.
up there.
But it's right there.
Ooh! Oh my god. Man. It's because I grew up, paying that.
The turtles are assaulting the Technodrome. Inside are the Foot Clan's weapon storage chamber, Krang's laboratory, and Shredder's master control room. Huh? Turtles? Oh, they've been spotted. Now they'll have to watch out for the I Spy radar, that hidden ooze pit, the spike back door. Turtle soup time. Oh no, an ooze scanner, a brain scrambler, and mutant manacles. Can Leonardo rescue them? Sure hope so.
Playset, figures, and ooze, each sold separately from Playmates.
600 for sure. And how much do you have the original one? You don't have the box for it?
Not this one. I have the remake one in the box.
For sure. How much is the remake?
I'm not sure.
Yes, sir. Damn, that one. I grew up. My cousin had that, and I did it.
What are you looking at?
The Technodrome.
The what?
The dome. The Technodrome.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. It's the Ninja Turtle. It's the bad guy's lair, whatever it's called.
Okay.
Yeah, but I've been looking for it everywhere.
So,
But
then we have another one that's a remake.
Mhm.
It's over on the other side. So,
how much is that one
I
for?
don't know. You can go see it.
For
right
sure.
now. I'll show you.
No problem.
You got just your turtles?
Everything.
Oh, okay.
Everything. Right now I'm just in the hunt for Ninja Turtles.
Okay.
Ninja Turtle stuff.
There was the front, the scratch, and the hot spot.
Right, in the same spot where I was? For sure. Alright. Just looking through all these old Ninja Turtle toys. I'm gonna get some more, Tanner. Some like digging for the gems, exactly. Kind of like those retro colors that I showed you.
Let's just adjust this for the actions.
Yeah.
Stay with the defense.
Put it on that. So I could just, I need to go pull the cash out as well. Which was 30?
No,
Oh, total.
Yeah, total.
I
yeah,
gotcha, I gotcha.
yeah. So 20, 30, and 35, and 40, 60. So it's 60.
For sure. All right,
And
I'll
then
be back.
with 20% off, it's $48.
Hell yeah. All right, I'll be back. Let me get some cash.
Yeah,
and
no
I'll-
problem.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. I'll be back. I got a whole pile. Yeah. Hmm. I do. I just forgot to pull cash out, but they have an ATM over there. So that was our first deal, which we picked out some Ninja Turtle toys, and he gave me, what did he say, 20% off?
Yeah.
20% off. So it was 60 something, 65, and then he dropped it to like 47. So perfect deal.
If it's 20% off, it would be 60.
Yeah, he said 47
47 as the initial price, or do you give it
as the initial price, I guess.
as the initial price?
I think he said 47.
If
If I'm not
it's
mistaken.
20% off of that, then you'd be paying about 30, so almost slightly more than that, actually.
So he got his percentage wrong. We're gonna go correct that right now.
And if that's the price they gave you, then I have to reverse what I did to figure out what the original price was.
Sure.
That's a little harder division.
Luckily, we have Tanner. He's a mathematician here. So his brain, he's gonna able to save us about $5.
30.
What's up, guys? We're taking a bit of a temporary break at the moment while Joel gets the ready cash. Whenever you go to any sort of like collectible show, trade show, etc., bring ready cash. Otherwise, you'll end up paying extra fees, like our guy Virtual Joel is just gonna be doing for sure, unquestionably. So, little savings to ready cash, bring it, and budget.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for Ninja Turtles, guys.
That's right, if you guys are.
I'm waiting for the guy. I think he's hiding. But look at all this cool nostalgia stuff that's around here. Look at all these TMNT turtles. So much good stuff. I hate it. I hate it.
Only because you can't buy all of it in one go.
Also, these guys, you see the price 30, they sell them at Target for 10.
Well, there are markups at these kinds of trade shows.
Oh no, these are these are totally different.
You gotta pay the fees of entry and all that.
What? Man, look at so much good stuff. Alright, I'm waiting for the guy to come so I could finish doing our purchase.
As you continue looking for more, and we'll end up
She's gonna
buying,
end up buying
more.
more stuff. I gotta see. I think I'm gonna take this.
And then you'll just be trapped at Amazon. Indefinitely. Gotta get that overtime to increase that budget.
Oh, You're back, brother.
No. Like, 20 for sure.
Add it to- So first purchase of the day, we got some Ninja Turtles. Awesome. And now that we're passing by Ninja Turtles, yep, skateboards. I used to skate.
Same.
My best trick was a kickflip. What was your best trick?
Manual.
Manual. The Pokemon section.
Okay, now it's definitely a Bulbasaur. No, what is that? No, no, that's...
Yeah. No, let's get out of here. I have enough Pokemon cards already.
This is actually right.
Yeah. Yeah. And I want to tell you guys that Technodrome, they have the original Technodrome for 600, but right now on eBay you can get it for 160. So I said the Technodrome, they had it for 600, but on eBay you can get it for 160.
160.
So see, a lot of stuff here is overpriced, but it's because too they gotta make money. You know what I'm saying?
Not only that, but there is an entry fee that's covered by this.
True.
I was actually told this when I was doing my own little thing.
See, look, it's stuff like this. You see those Halo toys from Halo, the first game? Oh my gosh. $40, I would have took them.
And if we ever bring Jesus, I know they'll make a big deal of the Dragon Ball stuff.
I was telling him to come over here so you could check it out. See, look, all of these, I have all of these. Except for this one, I don't have this one right here. Show the price on it. Dang, these are freaking awesome. I just like the color. I just like the color of it. It's like that old school color. I just like it. Hello, brother. How much is this box right here? Where's it at? This one, how much? 25. And this one here, same price, 25. We do 40 for both? Just 25? For sure.
So none of them have money left?
These are not the newest ones that came out, right? I mean, I know they're the new series, but I don't know they had this one right here, like these two right here.
Yeah, there's 4.
I seen them like this or these right here, but I didn't know they had these right here.
Yeah, it's exclusive.
For sure.
Yeah, there's a diamond set too.
Okay. I'll take all these 3.
Okay.
This one. This one.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna take this one. And also, can I take this one as well?
Sure.
Yeah, I think I got the. Yeah, I have these already. I have those. For sure. Yay! I'm that close to completing my collection.
Yeah. There's some Comic-Con exclusives, but I don't have them.
Some. Oh yeah.
For the movie. Yeah. You might want to check online on those.
Man, I love this. I didn't even know they. Oh my gosh. Do you have any more like that? Any more stuff like that? Like. How much is this one right here?
15.
15.
Yeah.
And this one, 15.
All the single figures are
All right. I think I'll take these two as well. Sweet.
What do you think of these? You like
Virtual Joel. Gem gathering. Right, Joel. Am I?
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
enjoy them?
Yep.
Got it?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Am I right, Joel?
Yeah, so I just more Ninja Turtle stuff. I think I only have like 80 bucks out of my $300 budget. So why is it everywhere? Look, it's Ninja Turtles. Look. You see all this good stuff right there? But yeah, guys, I think I pretty much almost completed the new set of the Turtles.
Does this mean your hunt is over? Or
No,
is this
there's
only the midpoint?
Yeah, there's one more thing. I want to go to another game stand. This guy has VHS Pokemon on VHS. He has VHS, the first series of Pokemon that they released. We're gonna go get those. Let's go.
The hunt continues.
So if this guy is able to give me those Pokemon VHS movies for a good price, I don't want to pay no more than $4 max per VHS. Any more than that, $3. Oh, look at I always like these. Awesome. Hey, we made it. Tell him, Tanner. What do you think? What do you think about the money that I spent in the Turtles? He's trying to save 300 while I just spending 300.
You see, guys, while I would probably be the one who would try to help Joel save money, if anything, this guy right here wrecks every possibility. I'm pretty sure if I started making budgets, he would like instantly go over by like another 100, guaranteed.
Look at, I think
And
they're
then
playing.
you think it's not over yet.
It's not. I think they're playing Tony Hawk up there.
Ah, my childhood. So, Joel, should we bring Jesus too?
Yeah.
Because, I mean, I guarantee he'd go nuts over all the Dragon Ball stuff.
Yeah.
Possibly Armando too.
I wanted to buy some of the VHS Pokemon that you have. How much are you selling them for? 10 a piece for the Pokemon? The VHS? Or this badass gargoyle, because I'm trying to collect gargoyle collection.
No way, I actually remember that from my childhood.
I actually have some gargoyle toys.
By the way, is it messed up that I'm most related to Xanatos?
So, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna get this right here because this is like takes me way back.
Oh, it takes me back too. I was freaking in the 3rd grade when that.
Still got my lunch money from the 3rd grade.
Dang, he has nothing but good.
Even I have to say that is a fine purchase right there, Joel.
I think I'm gonna get this one for sure.
You want to show your peeps?
Oh,
Oh, you already did that. I mean, like the content of.
and speaking about,
There's always got to be turtles.
too, and that's pretty much my whole budget right there, guys. This is the Ninja Turtle live action gargoyles, guys. You guys don't know what's up about this. How's your turn, Tanner? I'll follow you now. I just played. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So yeah, guys, I'm holding everything in my hand. That's $300 right there.
Wait, aren't I supposed to be the camera guy?
Yeah, but you gotta be in it too. So, $300 in my hand. You see how fast that goes? You see how fast that goes? Too fast.
Virtual Joel needs a larger budget.
Yeah, so I think I might pull out $100 more. I don't know. Look at Tanner's face. All right. For right now, we'll just continue walking.
That's what I've been trying to say. If I do try to do his budgets, he'll still go 100 over. I think it's not over yet. Am I right, man?
Yep. You can't save here, man. You can't save money here.
Well, you can, but
Well, all the money that you do save, you end up spending it here. So.
that's a form of winning too, Virtual Joel.
True.
After all, that's more stuff,
Yeah.
more gems.
But also too, those VHSs. We gotta. The reason why I didn't buy them because he was selling them for $10 a piece. That's too expensive. They should be at least $3 per VHS. But yeah, it's okay. I guess we're gonna find them go hunting at thrift stores or something. Jeez. Oh my god, I have nothing but good stuff.
Admittedly, this is where you'd more likely find me. At least back in my college days.
All right, let's go walk over here. We're gonna go check this place out. That what? Say that again.
Whenever I came here back in college, I typically buy or sell.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I would sell them to like my classmates in college, and then I would buy some stuff here or elsewhere. It was a pretty sweet time, but I never really made enough for it to be. I couldn't even get enough for like a super payments.
Yeah.
So, Virtual Joel. Do you recognize those boxes with the blue tape from freaking Amazon?
Is this your shop, brother?
It is.
Cool. Yeah, so there's one more purchase that I'm gonna make, which is gonna make me broke. I think this one right here.
Yep, he's gonna go over budget for
Let
sure.
me just see what's in my wallet.
I guarantee it, you guys.
20.
He's at it again.
I'm broke. I'm gonna have to go pull some more money out.
Let's keep in mind, guys, there's a chance I might be his future budgeter.
I'm gonna have to pull some more money out. I only have like $20. Do you have any more toys like of that style?
The new 66 is here on the shelf.
On which one? Oh. Dang it.
Man, that's pretty
I
lit.
actually need this one. I think before I get those, I'll probably just take this one. I think I'll just take this one right here for right now. 20?
Yep.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you.
The bagger.
I got one. Thank you.
Once again.
Once again, I win again.
As he digs through the gems. Let's keep in mind, guys, I might be his future budgeter. I'm gonna have my work cut out for me. Virtual Joel.
Yeah, we could put $500 in an account and then make $300 back, and that'll be our spending money, and therefore we didn't spend no money, right?
I don't think you understand how those work, Virtual Joel. I mean, yes, I know how to do that, but you don't get that much back in a short enough period of time.
And I don't know nothing about banking. I don't even know how to spend the money in the bank.
This is why he needs a budgeter, guys. Who will ignore anyway.
Do need a budget. And speaking about a budget, I want to spend some more money on some water. Should I just take another $100? I think I'll be comfortable with just one more. No, I can't. I can't. Yeah, I can't spend no more. I wasn't even supposed to spend.
So,
I'm gonna grab some water. I'm gonna grab me a water.
yeah, I think I'm good, Joel.
Good? Are you sure?
Well, they have a tendency of marking up these kinds of things at these kinds of events.
I mean,
I
they do-
usually just have the endurance to wait, honestly.
I get thirsty real quick. But look at E.T. He just seems like to like. Or Gremlins. Or this big thing right here. Or Scream, look, sucking a popsicle. Everybody's here. The M&M gang. Gang.
Gang, 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 gang.
We have everybody. Did you even see It, the clown? I didn't even see him. He's just so high in the thing.
Pretty sure I got him, but just in case.
Yeah, so from all this spending, I get thirsty.
And as his future budgeter, I am in. Well, I'm gonna have my work cut out for me.
All right, so I think we made our final purchase, which was at Batman. I'm not even supposed to spend money, you know. Tanner asked me a question earlier with how do I budget myself? $300 is the budget, but sometimes I overpass it. That's what it is when you collect. You gotta get it, because if you don't get it, somebody else is gonna get it, and then you're gonna be sad, and I don't want to be sad. I'm happy that.
Well, at the end of the day, that is the goal of really anything money related. So wait, Virtual Joel.
Yeah.
Does that mean this is the end of your Frank and Sons exploits?
If I continue walking, I think I'm gonna spend more. But we're gonna continue. We're gonna do a walk around so you guys can see what's on all these vendors, what they sell. I'm already done shopping, but if I stay any longer, I'm gonna spend. But we are gonna go all around and check everything out. So this video right now from forward on, you probably won't see us talking. We're just gonna do a walkthrough. So, but we will talk. It's up to Tanner if he wants to talk.
So wait, does this mean that you want your viewers to see me like weeb out over anime stuff and stuff from Japan?
Sure.
Dang.
No.
No?
No.
Dang, cause what?
What happened? See something?
Oh wait, no. For a moment, I thought maybe I found where that this one friend of mine gave me. Yeah, wait, maybe actually. Virtual Joel, can we?
Now we found something that Tanner's interested in, and I think it's those knives.
Yes, correct.
So yeah, we definitely found something that Tanner likes.
I'm the proud owner of one.
Oh yeah?
And I've always been drawn to them, especially katanas. But long swords and daggers are also pretty
Yeah.
nice.
Which one's calling you? Which one's calling him? Which one's calling Tanner?
Mostly just taking it in right now.
I know, right? They have a lot of badass stuff.
You know, sometimes I can't even tell if they're like the real deal or if they're...
I don't think. I think they're just all replicas. A real deal one's gonna be expensive, like
Usually.
thousands.
However, every now and then you do find them on the cheaper side. However, that also means you probably should never use them for the original purpose. But I know for a fact that.
So nothing catches your eye in here. I know you. You literally.
I paused at one of them.
Which one? Oh, that one is nice. How much is that? I think there's a price right there.
75.
Not bad.
Well, I mean, it depends. Like for like a model or replica sword, and from limited experience, I found that most things under 100 would be pretty decent, depending on what it is. But for like a real deal kind of thing, I usually find that anything less than 100 for a real deal thing, it's good to be true, it probably is. And unfortunately for me, I'm usually the kind of guy where that's the most true. In my own excitement, I think I screwed up. Think Virtual Joel is pondering another purchase again.
Why? Where's this from?
It's better that I don't tell you. Budget or recovery?
Tell me. Is it from Naruto? It is. Oh, look at it. It's nice.
Why did you figure it out?
It is from Naruto. All right, maybe next time because I overspend it already. Huh?
The Dark Repulsor from SAO. We don't want to see the Dark Repulsor. Heck yeah.
Bro,
Once I like
Keyblade.
them.
No, but look at this one's actually metal.
Oh, freaking Armando would
Man,
go
I'm so
nuts for
freaking
that.
tired.
I think.
I'm
I
going
know
to come
for-
back next week for this because I overspend it already.
Wait, you're calling it?
Yeah. Well, not next week, but next time I come.
No, I mean like. Oh well, I mean I was mostly focusing on you holding back budget-wise.
Oh yeah, I am. I'm not. My next check.
Virtual Joel.
Look what I found.
He's at it again. He's doing it again.
Oh man.
No.
How much are these boxes? With the... Dang. No.
I think he's actually thinking about it, you guys. He's
I
probably.
think these. Do you know which one's from the original? I think it might be these. No?
I think that's Gen 1.
Not too sure.
Maybe that's like Gen 1.
For sure. Yeah, I gotta look it up in the internet, which was the first league badge. And then I can take it to work and show everybody in Pokemon Master.
Honestly,
We'll just take a round trip. So at the end, my battery had ran out of space because I'm recording this in 4K and it's like takes up so much memory. But I'm gonna show you every. Gargoyles, awesome. One of my favorite cartoons that I used to watch when I was a kid. Ninja Turtles. In total, this was $50. I know, right? I said I wasn't gonna pay no more than $3-4, but I couldn't. I never seen this before, not even in my childhood. So that's the reason why I took it. And then the Ninja Turtles that I bought, for some reason, one of them came with this. I guess the guy thought it was a Ninja Turtle card, but it's from the movie Godzilla, which is a good movie too. So I got this too. Bebop has the rest of the collection back here. So I'm looking forward to collecting that. This one's a Walmart exclusive. I did buy it from that same guy, but they do have it at Walmart. I didn't know that. This one too. This one was Target exclusive. Or I don't think it's an exclusive, but it's from Target. It has double wrap. That's why you can't see it because I like to protect my stuff. Batman 66 from the Old School Show. I almost have the whole collection. Let me show you guys right here. That's gonna be another show. But this one's to that collection right there. But I got these from this guy. I haven't seen these even at Target. What I like about these is when you collect them all, it adds like a little scene on the background, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I can't wait to collect all of these. I think I'm only missing one, so there it is, guys. $250. Small stack. So that was our adventure with me and Tanner. He really had fun, I had fun, and we're making a part 2 to this video because it ran out. So part 2 next time, bring more memory, Joe. So I want to tell you guys thank you for watching the show. If you guys like this type of stuff, just hit a like and subscribe. Love you guys. See you guys next time.